Moto Hundo. I think we gotta do something about this guy, man. He's getting out of control.
Who are you talking about? Are you talking about the Fender?
Yeah, I'm talking about the Fender. And you gotta do something about it, man. What should we do?
Well, maybe it's time we eliminate him.
Moto Hundo presents MotoVlog number 3, Fender Eliminator.
So today we'll be changing out this Fender on my Kawasaki Z650. And we're putting on the new Fender Eliminator Kit. It'll be this one here. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take your seat off. Just one little trunk space should be enough, because everything is right up under here. So you start by taking these 4 bolts off right here and take a hex bolt. We normally call them Allen wrench keys. Hex key. I'm not going to tell you the size, it doesn't matter, because just fit the one that go to it or read the manual. For the most part, I didn't read it, I just winged it here. So after taking those 4 hex bolts off, the fender was still stuck on there, so I just decided to keep going and keep taking pieces apart. It was like a screw up under this black bar up in the top left corner. So right here I'm just taking off the license plate light, couple screws and tail the end of it, and one up under the bottom, a socket up under the bottom. Grab the matching socket. Alright, so that allowed me to separate the fender into 2 halves. Right side over here, I'm gonna take a few pieces off of that. We got the license plate light was connected to the right side. So right here, I'm taking off the left blinker. It's a few little pieces that attach up under there to make that hold to the fender. Phillips screwdriver. Oh yeah, I know it's kind of windy. Yeah, it was a windy day. I think I did this maybe in April. Rain must have been in the forecast. So right here, I'm just disassembling the license plate light, pulling it out of the fender, cutting the blinker off.
Eliminate him.
You ain't gonna get through it without cutting something. Stripping wires. And right here, so this is where the license plate light will be. I'm just putting these pieces on there so they can hold on in there. Cutting the left blinker wire.
Eliminate him.
So now you gotta strip the wires down. No, we got wire cutters for it, but I'm out here just winging it. Strip them clean like that, get them ready to be reassembled. So now I gotta get back to this left side here. And try to get this left side of the fender off of the bike. Right here I must have noticed there was another socket that didn't unscrew, so I'm unscrewing that now. But that still didn't help me get to the screw that's on the fender. But it allowed me where I could separate the base of the trunk part from the top of it. So here I'm just pushing down trying to get to this screw. You can see the screw right here. And it gave me a problem. Could possibly be easier ways to get it off. Like I said, just winging it. Part came in, I wanted to put it on my bike.
Eliminate him.
Yeah, you can hear the frustration. After some time I got it off. That took about, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes. So here we just button it back up, getting ready to tighten it back down, tighten the base of the trunk down to the top of it. Snap it right in. Yeah, you hear that wind picking up, huh? Don't you just love the way nature sounds? Nature infused with the city. Alright, so tightening that base back down. And get it snug. That wind kicking. You got screws right up under that black bar right there. Alright, so we're going to put the fender eliminator on there. Yeah, I know this would have been a lot easier, but I got the whole fender off and just did it off to the side somewhere. So anyways, tighten it down. This was a little hectic. You know that frustration again. Oh, you hear me mention the clouds. Alright, so now it's time to put the blinkers back on there. It look clean, don't it? Put all them pieces back inside of the blinkers, screw them down. Plug it on the side there. Match the wires. Just cleaning up the wires a bit. So at this point, yeah, the rain just started to drop. Look at it. Instant rain showers. So yeah, so I got one side on. I'm like, yeah, it's time to put this back up in the trailer. I could just finish it inside of there real quick. All I had to do is put the right blinker on there. Woo, it's that good Michigan weather. That's it. Eliminated that fender right there. Look at it. Hanging out pretty long. Ugly.
Moto Hundo. Eliminate him.
Chopped it right off. So yeah, stay tuned for more Moto Hundo vlogs. We cooking up a lot of them. Might be contacting people for a little, side rolls. Thanks for watching, y'all.
Subscribe. Moto Hundo. Moto Hundo. Moto Hundo. Job well done. Subscribe.